What HVAC repairs are most common after 20 years? The most common repairs are refrigerant leaks, failed capacitors, worn blower motors, damaged electrical parts, clogged or cracked heat exchangers, and aging thermostats or control boards. After 20 years, an HVAC system has usually experienced many heating and cooling cycles, so its moving parts, wiring, and seals can become worn. Refrigerant leaks often happen in copper lines, coils, or connections, and low refrigerant makes the system run longer without cooling the home properly. A failed capacitor can prevent the outdoor fan or compressor from starting, sometimes causing only a humming sound. Blower motors in their belts, when present, can wear out and reduce airflow through the house. Electrical contactors, relays, and circuit boards may also fail because heat, dust, and repeated switching slowly damage them. In a furnace, a cracked heat exchanger is especially serious because it can allow dangerous combustion gases into the airstream, so it requires professional testing. Old thermostats can give incorrect temperature readings or fail to communicate with the equipment. Before paying for a repair, write down the symptoms, check that the air filter is clean, and ask the technician to explain the cause, repair cost, and expected remaining life of the system. One common mistake is adding refrigerant without finding the leak, which only hides the problem for a while, so request a leak check and a written repair recommendation. Another mistake is replacing a small part repeatedly when the compressor, heat exchanger, or main coil is near the end of its life, so compare the repair price with the cost and reliability of replacement. People also sometimes ignore weak airflow, strange smells, or short cycling, but these can signal serious restrictions, overheating, or unsafe combustion, so arrange an inspection instead of waiting for a complete breakdown. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, JobBit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.